Have you heard about India's recent achievement in space exploration? Just a few weeks ago, the nation etched its name in history, becoming the fourth country to land on the moon. But this wasn't just any lunar landing. India's Chandrayaan-3 probe made a successful touchdown near the moon's south pole, a region of strategic importance and a first in the history of space exploration. Prime Minister Narendra Modi confirmed India's intention to continue its lunar endeavors, with plans to send people to the moon in the future. Today, we will delve into the journey of this mission, from its inception to its triumphant landing. The idea of a lunar mission was first proposed by India in 1999. This was a time when the country was beginning to set its sights higher, beyond the confines of our own planet. The Indian Space Research Organization, or ISRO, along with a team of leading scientists, began conducting a feasibility study. They aimed to understand the complexities and challenges of a lunar mission, while also exploring the potential benefits and discoveries that could be made. In 2003, the project was announced to the world, marking an important milestone in India's space exploration journey. The mission was named Chandrayaan-1, with Chandrayaan meaning mooncraft in Sanskrit. 5 years later, in 2008, the spacecraft was launched, propelling India into an exclusive club of nations. With this launch, India became the fifth country to orbit the moon, joining the ranks of spacefaring nations like the United States, Russia, China, and Japan. But Chandrayaan-1 was not just about reaching the moon. It was also about making significant scientific discoveries. The mission carried a suite of scientific instruments designed to collect valuable data about the lunar surface. The most significant discovery of the mission came when Chandrayaan-1 confirmed the existence of water on the moon. This was a groundbreaking discovery, reshaping our understanding of Earth's closest celestial neighbor. The mission was not without its challenges, but it was undeniably a success. It showed the world that India was capable of ambitious and complex space missions. This successful mission paved the way for further exploration, leading to the conception of Chandrayaan-2. The journey to the moon was far from over. The stage was set for the next chapter in India's lunar exploration story. Chandrayaan-2 was planned in collaboration with Russia but faced delays and technical issues. So, what were these issues and how did they affect the mission? Well, the journey to the moon is no easy feat. It's a complex, precarious process involving a multitude of intricate technological systems that must work in perfect harmony. Chandrayaan-2 was no stranger to these challenges. Initially, the project was delayed due to the need for various technical upgrades. However, as the clock ticked on, India decided to take full responsibility for the project. A massive undertaking indeed. Then came the launch. Chandrayaan-2 was successfully sent into space, but the real challenge lay in the descent. The lander carrying the rover began its descent towards the moon's surface, but something went wrong. The lander lost contact with mission control and crash-landed on the lunar surface. A heartbreak for the team, but not a defeat. Investigations later revealed that the failure could be attributed to multiple factors. The lander was equipped with 5 engines, which, in retrospect, may have been too many. This increased complexity, and the lander's inability to make quick maneuvers might have led to the unfortunate crash. But here's the thing about space exploration. It's not about the setbacks, it's about the resilience. The failure was attributed to multiple factors, but it didn't deter India from its lunar exploration ambitions. The journey of Chandrayaan-2 may have ended abruptly, but it paved the way for a new chapter in India's lunar exploration, a chapter known as Chandrayaan-3. Despite the challenges, India pushed forward with the Chandrayaan-3 mission. The year was 2023, and the date was August 23rd. India made history as its Chandrayaan-3 probe made a successful landing near the south pole of the moon. This marked India as the fourth nation to land on the moon, and the first to reach the lunar South Pole, a feat that even Russia, Japan, and Israel had attempted but failed. This wasn't just a matter of prestige or a notch on the belt of space exploration. The South Pole region of the moon holds strategic importance. Scientists believe that water ice is present in this area, which could potentially support human habitation in the future. Imagine a human settlement on the moon, thriving and bustling with activity. But the implications go even further. The presence of water ice could also mean fuel production for Mars missions, propelling us further into the cosmos. But let's not get too ahead of ourselves. The successful landing of Chandrayaan-3 was no small feat. It was a testament to India's resilience, its determination to push the boundaries of what's possible, and its commitment to exploration and discovery. It was a triumph, not just for India but for the world and our collective pursuit of knowledge. This success marked a milestone in India's space exploration journey. It was a moment of triumph, a moment of pride, a moment that signaled India's ascendance in the world of space exploration. But this is just the beginning. With the success of Chandrayaan-3, the moon's south pole isn't just a distant point in the cosmos. It's a stepping stone, a launch pad for the future of space exploration.